Hey guys, I do enjoy here with my more video. Today I'd like to do another unboxing for another gi that I bought because my gi for aikido is too small, so I decided to get this one with the right size. So let's get into it. There we go. So model J650J, and the size is 5.5, just like the other one that I got. All right, let's get it. Let's take a look at it. This time with this color. The other one is blue, this one is silver. Okay, better get a scissor to cut this. Okay, the upper part, so the jacket. Is it a little thinner than the other one? It's just perfect for practice. Yeah, with the logo here. That's beautiful. Yeah. And then the lower part. This time it has a logo here. The other one has the logo a little lower. And probably want to see me wearing that. So it'll be a really very short video. We get to it. All right, guys. Let me wear this. There's the lower part. It feels a little thinner than the other. Probably this is mostly for practice, whereas the other one is for competition. This is very thin. Yeah, this is really thin. Yeah, really thin. And of course, since it's for aikido, I'm gonna wear it with my black belt for aikido. There you go, very comfortable. Because I needed this, my other one is very small. There you go. Yep, for aikido. That's it. Very nice, feels very nice, comfortable. And as I said, it's a little thinner compared to the other one. Well, that's it. Nothing more to add. I just wanted to show you this new gi. I hope you like this video. Please support this channel by hitting like on this video. Also consider subscribing. You can also support me here on Patreon, or you can support me on PayPal. Please consider being a member of this channel. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.